Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Learn the Lingo. Today's Learn the Lingo is a little odd. We're going to talk about two different terms: net operating income, or NOI, and cash flow. They're two different things, and they can be very confusing. NOI is all the bills taken out of your revenue except the mortgage. In other words, let's say that you bring in $1 million worth of rent and you have $600,000 worth of bills, not including the mortgage. That would leave you $400,000 in net operating income. To determine your cash flow, you then subtract your mortgage payments, and let's say those are $200,000 a year. That means your cash flow is $200,000 a year. $400,000 NOI minus $200,000 in debt service leaves you your cash flow, which is $200,000 a year. That's the money that you put in your pocket, feed the family, take a trip, buy more real estate, whatever you want to do with it. So it is important to make the distinction that NOI and cash flow are two different things. NOI is after all bills except the mortgage. NOI would be your cash flow if you paid the property in full, because you wouldn't have a mortgage. That means the $400,000 in our example, all of that would be cash flow. You'd put all $400,000 in your pocket. But because paying cash for real estate is not a good idea, we almost always have a mortgage. You have to subtract the mortgage to get to the cash flow. So $400,000 NOI minus $200,000 for the mortgage leaves you $200,000 of cash flow. That's Learn the Lingo. Thanks for watching.